Hey everyone, it's Hidej back with another how to read Japanese video. In lesson number 5, we're going to move on to the fourth row of katakana. Yeah, we've learned the first one, the vowels, and K row, S row. And the fourth row, I'm going to tell you before seeing it, it's actually, yeah, T row. So let's take a look at it. All right, so these are the letters that I typed with my PC. So let me show you how to write them. First of all, the first one is you sweep to the left and a straight line, and there's a corner here. You sweep to the left and a straight line. You stop it here. And the next one is sweep to the left and a long straight line. Maybe you can curve it a little, and then sweep to the left. Okay, the third one is a dot here and a dot here too, and then sweep to the left. Okay, the third one is a short straight line, and then a longer one here, and starting from here, sweep to the left. And the last one is a straight line, pretty long one, and from here, from the center, you stop here. Okay, now let's see how it's pronounced. These so the vowels are a, I, U, E, O, right? And this represents T consonant. So how do you think? Yeah, it's ta. So how about this? Yeah, it should be T, tu, te, and to. But however, just as what we've seen in the third row, S row, some of them is actually wrong. And this time we have two wrong letters. First one, this one. This is not T. In Japanese, for some reason, it changes to chi. Okay? Well, the reason is we don't have the sound of T in original Japanese language. So basically, we're not supposed to be able to pronounce T sound. Although modern Japanese can easily pronounce it because there are many foreign languages in Japan that has the sound T, like, team. Oh, and that's a very good example, I guess. So let me show you. You have this word, right? Team. Yeah, and the pronunciation is should be like that, right? Team. But in original Japanese, we can pronounce T. So actually, we change this to like that. Chimu. Chimu. But other than that, how about T? Well, in this case, Japanese don't speak chi. Actually, modern Japanese have already learned to speak T. So there is a way to convey this sound with a katakana, but we'll go into that later. So for now, just learn. You have to just learn that the sound of T doesn't exist in the original Japanese language. Okay. Now, the second one that is wrong is this one too. The sound tu doesn't exist in original Japanese language either, although modern Japanese can pronounce it. And we have a way to write it in katakana, which I'm going to show you in later lessons. Anyway, the third letter is supposed to be pronounced as, we write this like this. It's tsu. Do you have this sound in English? Maybe you don't in original English, although there are many words that came from outside of English-speaking countries, like in chess word, there's zugzwang, like that. So in Germany, you have that sound. So that's what this third letter has. Tsu. Well, it is interesting that Korean doesn't have this sound. So if a Korean learns Japanese, they always can't pronounce this sound. They always go chu, chu, but it's tsu, okay? And all other three are correct. It's T. So, okay, so let's pronounce them. Repeat after me. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Okay, very good. Oh, but one thing, you have to be careful. When we say like ta, chi, tsu, te, to, maybe English speakers have spoken these with the last one. I suppose you pronounce like this, didn't you? Tachitsute to. Well, don't do that. It's not Japanese. Japanese doesn't have you behind it. You have to stop it with here. So tachitsute to. Okay. All right. Now let's move on to the fifth row. Fifth row represents the consonant of N. Okay. So here's the typed ones. So let me show you how to write them. Okay, first of all, the first one is straight line and a long sweep. Okay, straight lines, shorter and a longer one. Okay, a short straight line, there's a corner here and a sweep, and here you stop it, okay? Okay, a little dot here, and then straight line, and there's a corner, and there's a sweep, and a straight vertical line, and a little dot-like line, and you stop here. Okay, the last one is easy. It's just a sweep, okay? All right, so let's see the pronunciation. The consonant is N, so na, ni, nu, ne, no. Remember, in lesson number 1, I showed you this one, which was used in neko, which means a cat, right? Okay, so yeah, the pronunciations are correct with this one. So na, ni, nu, ne, no. Okay, repeat after me. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. You have to stop it. No. Okay? So now that we've learned the fifth row, you see we've already learned the upper half of this 50 sound table. So it's 25 letters, which is more than half of what we're going to learn, 46 letters. So why don't we practice with reading actual words of Japanese? Well, I should have done this after lesson number 3, after we've learned 3 rows, but I forgot to do that. So now that we've learned 5, it'll be a bit difficult for you. We have 25. So let me erase all those so that you can see the alphabet. But I'll keep these alphabets as a hint. So let's start with, how about this? Can you read it? Yeah, this one and this one. So, O, O. This means a king. Okay? Yeah, in chess, in Japanese chess. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, it's this one and then this one. So it's kaku, kaku, kaku. Okay, this means actually a bishop in chess. I mean, in Japanese chess. Okay. Okay, I should stop doing Japanese chess words. Okay, what else? Okay, how about this one? Okay, you have to find the letter from this table. Yeah, the first one is this one, and the second one is here. And you have to be careful when you pronounce S words, right? And yeah, there's H. There's an H. So, yeah, sushi. Sushi. Yeah, and it means sushi, right? You know, I believe you know this word. Okay, what else? Okay, how about this one? Yeah, it's already here and it's already here. So you just connect them. Shio. Shio means salt. Okay. This one is what you've already seen in lesson number 1. Yeah. Neko. It's a cat. So now that we've seen a cat, we should see this one. Okay, it's this one and this one. So, I, nu, inu, inu, which means a dog. Okay, let's make the word longer. There are 4 letters, which is O, Sa, Ka. It's Osaka. Osaka. Well, I believe you know this name. It's the name of the city. That is one of the biggest cities in Japan. It's A and Ka. Aka. Aka, which means red. How about this? It's A, O. Ao. Ao. It's blue. Okay, last one. Can you find the first one from this table? Yeah, this one. Yeah. And remember, it wasn't just a T. It's TSU. And the next one is KI. Tsuki. 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 It means the moon. Okay, did you read them all correctly? Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.